A couple cases from UAG up next. Welcome and thanks for watching. Please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified when I post new content, and give this video a thumbs up. I'd very much appreciate it. So UAG, or Urban Armor Gear, has been making premium cases for many devices throughout the years. This is actually the first time I'll be taking a look at UAG cases on this channel, and I'd like to thank UAG for sending these out for review. And let's go ahead and get started with an unboxing and trying on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So these are the two cases we're going to take a look at from UAG, and both of these cases are made for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And on the left we have the Monarch series, and on the right we have the Mouve from their new U line from UAG. So let's go ahead and start with the Monarch series. So when I think UAG and the styling of UAG, I always think of their Monarch series. They make sturdy cases built from premium materials, and this one is 2x military standard drop tested and protected. And this is the carbon fiber Monarch case, and they have different materials. They have leather, they have many, but I really like this carbon fiber. I think that looks really cool. On the back it says built to go further, driven and designed and engineered for adventure. It has an armor frame, premium materials, and a 5-layer protection. And it has a 10-year limited warranty. So let's go ahead and open this up. Built to go further. That's cool packaging, actually. Set that aside. And there is the UAG Monarch case. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So they have a UAG logo stamped right there in the center. Some nice carbon fiber in the inserts in the frame. Nice large generous opening for the iPhone 12 Pro Max cameras. And they have, looks like torque screws on each corner. And that's a cool little detail. Nice honeycomb pattern on the sides. There's the power button, up and down volume button, an opening for the mute switch, and openings for the speaker and lightning cord. So let's go ahead and put the phone in here and see how it looks. And again, I have the graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's how the iPhone 12 Pro Max graphite looks in this UAG case. It's a really nice compliment, actually, I think. A lot of protection, a very good lip right there on the front to protect your screen when you place it face down. And the camera is well protected. And this case, since it is a lot more protective than some of the cases I looked in the past, your cameras will be well protected if you place the phone on its back, and the screen will be well protected if you place the case, or if you place the phone face down. So that is a good looking protective case, whether you place it on the front or the back. And I think it complements this phone really well. I mean, that's a nice looking case. And again, the Monarch is what I would call the kind of quintessential UAG style. That is a very good premium case. I like that. And this probably won't work, but let's see if it works with the MagSafe or wireless. The material in the back is really thick. Wait, did I hear it? Come on. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that to work. All right. No, I did hear it. I wasn't hearing things, and I'm pretty sure the camera captured that. But if you're going to use this with a wireless charger, it's not going to be very reliable. I can actually hear the MagSafe charger wanting to jump in the correct place. And it is holding on, but the back is just too thick to actually give it a charge. So I would say it's not wireless charge compatible, and certainly not with the MagSafe. Although it is sticking a little bit, it's not actually charging. So I didn't think it would work. Kind of made the charging confirmation sound, but this won't be compatible. I think it's safe to say this won't be compatible with the MagSafe charger, but it is definitely a good looking case. Great looking case. So let's go ahead and try the Mouve. Take this out. Take the phone out of the Monarch. And here is the Mouve case from their new U by UAG line. And this is again for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has 8-foot drop protection on the back. It says strong and beautiful, impact resistant, sleek and lightweight shell, air soft corners, wireless charging compatible, and a 1-year limited warranty. And it's designed in California. So I always like clear cases. I have a clear case video, and I'll link to that up here or somewhere down in the description if you want to see that. And I'm really excited to see what UAG's clear case looks like. And again, this is the Mouve, and I believe this is the ice color for reference. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. And here's the U case, or the Mouve case from their U line. And their U line, it has just the U, as opposed to the UAG. It's just the U as the branding. This is the icy, or the ice color. It's transparent, although it is a bit smoky gray, as you can see. And the back, there's like almost a micro dot texture on the back. It's not completely smooth, so there is grippiness. So for those of you who like clear cases but want a little bit more grip, this is a smooth surface, but this is grippy. The back, it looks like a frosted back as well, and the inside, you can see that frosted back on the inside. Again, there is a generous opening for the iPhone 12 Pro Max cameras, some soft touch buttons, and port openings. Let's go put the phone inside this case. And that really looks good in that case, especially this color goes really well with the graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think that looks sharp. And it feels good in the hand. There are ample air pockets for corner protection there, as you can see. And if you look at the design itself, it's even more squared off than the phone itself. It's more squared off. Corners are more squared than not as rounded, so there is a lot of protection on the corners for drops. This is a good looking case. I actually like it. I wasn't sure how I'd like the squared off corners, but that looks really, really cool. So there is some ample height on each corner. So that is actually, you can see it, even with the camera bump on there. So one of the things with a lot of cases is the iPhone 12 Pro cameras are so large that most of the cases, when you place them on their back, the case rocks. This one does not rock at all. That is solid on its back. Definitely a plus for this case. And there is ample lip on the front, so your screen will be protected when you place it face down. So great protection when your phone is placed down, or on its back for the cameras, and overall I really like this case. Really good looking case from UAG. And I think that frosted back looks really cool on there. I like that effect. And kind of neat micro dot texture on the back. Never seen a micro dot texture on the back. Opening for the mute switch and the ports on the bottom. The buttons are really clicky. Good tactile feel. This is a really good case. I really like this case from UAG. This is a nice clear case. So let's go ahead and confirm MagSafe compatibility. And there it is, it does charge. So we get that confirmation to pop up. And there it is. So this case is MagSafe compatible. So there we go, those are the two cases from UAG. We have the Monarch and the Mouve. And I really like both of these cases. Premium cases, premium quality, and these are great cases from UAG, and I hope to take a look at other cases in their lines in the future. So what UAG cases are your favorite? Do you like the look of the Monarch or this nice clear Mouve case? Do you have any go-to cases from UAG? Please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And until the next time, please take care and be safe out there.